Garmin's Enduro line is focused about durability, endurance, and dependability. The Enduro 2 pleased us with its powerful features and long battery life, but Garmin is not slowing down. They just released the enhanced and revamped Enduro 3, and here's the kicker. It's priced lower than the Enduro 2 at launch. This is huge news for ultra-endurance athletes and multi-day adventurers who rely on their gear for the most demanding conditions. The Enduro 3 is part of a big day for Garmin, debuting alongside the Fenix 8 range. So is the Enduro 3 worth the upgrade from the Enduro 2? Let's dive into the details and find out. At first glance, both the Enduro 3 and the Enduro 2 look quite similar. They share a 51mm size with a 1.4 in power sapphire lens, known for its durability and scratch resistance. However, Garmin has shaved some weight off the Enduro 3, making it 63 gram compared to the Enduro 2 70 gram. Now, you might think what difference 7 gram makes. Well, for ultra-endurance athletes, every gram counts. A lighter watch means more comfort during those long, grueling races. It's a subtle yet meaningful improvement. Garmin also redesigned the solar panel system on the Enduro 3, increasing the thickness of the solar band around the display's edge and removing the transparent solar panel across the screen. This not only boosts solar energy efficiency but also improves screen visibility in direct sunlight. A minor tweak, but one that enhances the overall user experience. Let's talk about one of the most critical aspects of any endurance smartwatch: battery life. The Enduro 2 set a high bar with up to 150 hours in GPS mode and 46 days in smartwatch mode. But Garmin has outdone itself with the Enduro 3, boasting a staggering 320 hours in GPS mode and up to 90 days in smartwatch mode. That's more than double the GPS battery life of the Enduro 2. The secret behind this leap is Garmin's new solar technology, which harvests twice the solar energy compared to the Enduro 2. This means less time charging and more time using the watch for what it's meant for, tracking your every move even in the most remote places. Both the Enduro 3 and Enduro 2 come equipped with Garmin's SATIC technology, which optimizes GPS usage based on your environment, whether you're navigating through dense forests or open fields. These watches automatically adjust to provide the best accuracy without draining the battery. This makes them reliable companions for those who like to venture off the beaten path. However, the Enduro 3 takes it a step further by incorporating Garmin's new Elevate Gen 5 optical HR sensor, capable of wrist temperature readings and supporting an FDA-cleared ECG app. This app allows users to check for signs of atrial fibrillation directly from their watch, adding a layer of health monitoring that's increasingly becoming a standard in smartwatches. For those concerned about heart health, this feature alone might justify the upgrade. Additionally, the Enduro 3 borrows several features from Garmin's Fenix 8 series, like a revamped user interface, new maps, and navigation tools. You'll find dynamic round-trip routing, which auto can adjust your route midway to ensure you hit your desired distance even if you go off course. Plus, there are new features like strength training plans, a countdown app for events, and enhanced GPS tracking accuracy. These enhancements make the Enduro 3 not just a tracking device but a comprehensive fitness and adventure tool. The Enduro 3 has just hit the market at $769.99 in the UK and $899.99 in the US. Now, this is interesting because despite being the newer model, it's actually cheaper in the US than the Enduro 2 was at launch, which came in at a whopping $999.99. Over in the UK, it's a bit closer with the Enduro 2, only slightly cheaper at €729.99. Given the impressive upgrade and relatively small price difference, especially in the US, the Enduro 3 seems like a no-brainer. So, should you upgrade? If you're already rocking the Enduro 2, the answer depends on what you value most. The Enduro 3 isn't a complete redesign. It's more like a finely tuned machine with a focus on lighter weight, improved battery life, and better health monitoring. If those factors are deal breakers for you, especially the insane battery life and the new ECG app, then the Enduro 3 is definitely worth considering. Plus, the lower price point in the US makes it a compelling choice even if you're coming from an older Garmin model. Let us know in the comments if you're planning to upgrade to the Enduro 3 or if you're happy with your Enduro 2. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.